Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with TransferGo Money Transfer. Review my international remittance experience. TransferGo is an online money transfer service that allows you to send money internationally, often at lower fees than traditional banks. It's primarily aimed at individuals who need to send money abroad, whether it's for supporting family, paying for services, or managing international expenses. Key features include various transfer methods, bank transfers, debit credit cards, different delivery options, and real-time tracking of your transfers. Their website provides details on supported countries and currencies. TransferGo emphasizes transparent pricing with no hidden fees and competitive exchange rates. They highlight their speed and security, aiming to provide a quicker and more affordable alternative to traditional banks. The platform utilizes technology that facilitates direct bank-to-bank transfers, reducing intermediary costs. You can check availability for your specific transfer needs directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using TransferGo. Getting started was surprisingly simple. I signed up on their website, verified my identity, and was ready to go in about 15 minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive. I easily navigated to the transfer section, selected the recipient country and currency, and entered the amount. I appreciated the clear breakdown of fees and the estimated delivery time displayed up front. I tested a small transfer to a family member in Europe using my debit card. The transfer was completed within a day, which was faster than I expected. I was also able to track the transfer status in real time through the website and received email notifications at each stage. I had a quick question about transfer limits, and their support responded within a few hours via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how easy the entire process was, from setup to completion. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and transparency of the transfer. One minor drawback was that the exchange rate fluctuated slightly between initiating the transfer and its completion, although it was still within the range they initially displayed. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with TransferGo. It offered a fast, cost-effective, and user-friendly way to send money internationally. That's my overview of TransferGo Money Transfer. Review my international remittance experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.